So you want all your customers to bank with you online. But do you really simplify online banking for them? For starters, why not let them begin a new relationship without having to visit your branch? Your customers like to personalize their desktop and phones, and they'll expect the same from their online banking dashboard, like adding a little color and deciding what their dashboard should look like. They want value beyond transactions, so let them add financial news, stock quotes, or even the latest travel deals to their banking dashboard. Why should your customers buy a separate app to keep track of their finances when they've got you instead? You know their transaction history. Tell them all about the what, where, how much, and way too much of their spends, and help them save up for that dream purchase. Your customers can drag and drop their favorite music onto a playlist. Why shouldn't their payments be more like that? Let them connect with your customer care executives and wealth managers with just a click. Your customers love getting recommended offers when they shop online. It's time for your bank to add the same personal touch and help them choose an offer that works best for their needs. Customers can catch up on their reading where they left off on any device. Why shouldn't they do the same during banking transactions without losing context? Get Finacle Online Banking. Make life simpler for all your customers.